Have you ever wondered what happens to the parts of a chicken we don't usually eat? You know, the heads, the feet, the feathers? Do they just get thrown away? The answer is a fascinating no, and it reveals a hidden world of global trade, sustainability, and some surprisingly delicious food. Let's dive into the journey of the other parts of the chicken. First up, the chicken head. In many Western countries, seeing a chicken head on your plate might be a bit shocking, but in several parts of Asia, it's a popular snack. They're often deep-fried until crispy or braised in savory sauces. It's all about texture and flavor that many cultures have appreciated for centuries. When they aren't destined for a dinner plate, chicken heads are processed into high-protein animal feed, ensuring that this part of the bird still provides valuable nutrition. Then we have chicken feet. For a long time, in places like the US, chicken feet were considered waste. But now, they're one of the most sought-after poultry exports. Why the change? Because in places like China, Hong Kong, and Vietnam, chicken feet are a star ingredient. Think dim sum, where they're steamed and served in a rich black bean sauce. They're loved for their gelatinous texture, which comes from all the collagen. It's a perfect example of how one culture's byproduct can be another's delicacy. The global demand for chicken feet has completely transformed the poultry industry, turning what was once a cost to dispose of into a significant revenue stream. Now, let's talk about feathers. A single chicken processing plant can produce tons of feathers every single day. Disposing of them in landfills would be an environmental nightmare. So, what do we do with them? The answer is pretty ingenious. Most feathers go through a process called rendering. They're cooked, sterilized, and ground down to create feather meal. This meal is incredibly rich in protein, making it a key ingredient in feed for other animals like fish and even other livestock. It's a closed-loop system where one animal's byproduct helps feed another. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Scientists and engineers are finding incredible new uses for feathers. The keratin protein in feathers is remarkably strong and lightweight. Researchers are turning it into biodegradable plastics, which could one day replace petroleum-based plastics for things like packaging and disposable cutlery. Feathers are also being used to create building insulation, composite materials, and even superabsorbent fibers for cleaning up oil spills. Who knew feathers could be so versatile? They're becoming a prime example of a sustainable, renewable resource. This entire process highlights a massive global trade network built on cultural differences in taste and a shared goal of sustainability. Countries that don't consume certain parts export them to countries that do. This not only reduces waste, but also makes the entire poultry industry more economically and environmentally efficient. It ensures that every single part of the chicken is utilized in some way, shape, or form. So, the next time you enjoy a chicken dinner, remember there's a whole other story to the bird. From heads and feet becoming international delicacies to feathers being turned into eco-friendly materials, the poultry industry is a remarkable example of resourcefulness. It proves that with a little bit of innovation and an open mind, nothing truly has to go to waste. The journey of these overlooked parts shows us a smarter, more sustainable way to think about our food systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us. See you in the next one.